Hi friends, welcome to Art Villa 8. Today I am sharing you my second kitchen tour. That is this is our first floor kitchen, which was in very bad condition. My first ground floor kitchen tour is already in on my channel. उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. ये जो किचन है हम इसको एज अ गेस्ट किचन ही यूज़ करते हैं. दिस इज़ नॉट अ मेन किचन बट स्टिल वी रेनोवेटेड इट so that if someone comes to our house and stays on first floor, they should access a good kitchen. So this we completed. This kitchen we took as a challenge, and we completed this kitchen within 10 days. We started on 22nd September, and on 30th September it was completely done. So hope you like this kitchen tour, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section how you liked everything about this kitchen, what you like most about this kitchen. So this door is opens towards utility area where our washing machine is kept, and this is my most favorite nook in my kitchen. This is the entrance to our kitchen. Though it's a very small kitchen, but it's very beautiful and my favorite kitchen